Hello everyone, welcome to Chauhan Management classes. And today I have subject is a human resource management (HR). In topic of the topic is a discuss is the knowledge management. Topic is a discuss. Currently I have discuss a topic of the knowledge management in under the subject of the human resource management. So this topic knowledge management I have explained and briefed the how to utilize the knowledge in any organization under the any organization, how to utilize this knowledge, any worker, any employee, how to utilize the knowledge in any organization, how to utilize and generate the knowledge and getting the improve the your performance in any organization. So I have talked about the this function and knowledge management. This topic knowledge management, I have talked about this topic knowledge management. I have briefed this point of the knowledge management. So now come to the point of the knowledge management. Firstly, I have explained the concept of the knowledge management. Firstly, I have explained the brief the concept of the knowledge management. Then I come to the listen to the be carefully. Listen to be carefully. I have explained the concept of the knowledge management. Knowledge management is the knowledge management in is the field of the knowledge management in the field of the part of the human resource development is the part of the human resource development. This is a part of the human resource development, and knowledge management is a process of the knowledge management is a process of the creating, sharing and using. First of all, we listen to carefully. I have explained the what are knowledge management. So this is a concept of the knowledge management. I have explained the knowledge management is the process. Knowledge management is the part of the human resource development, and knowledge management is the part of the human resource development, and knowledge management is the process of the knowledge management is the process of the creating, sharing and using. Creating, sharing, using and managing the knowledge, in any managing the knowledge and information in any organization. So I repeated this. Knowledge management is the process of the creating, sharing, using and managing the information and knowledge of the employee in any organization. How to create, share and using and managing the knowledge and information in any organization. How to employee get a knowledge of the any organization, any employee have the more knowledge and skills of the any organization. So how to an organization, how to create, share and using and managing the employee knowledge information in any under organization. So this is a concept of the knowledge management. And knowledge management is a systematic arrangement. Knowledge management is a systematic arrangement and presentation. Systematic arrangement and presentation of the process and strategy that enhance the performance of the management related enhance the performance of the any organization and related to the human resource or a employee in any under organization. Now knowledge management is a way to achieve the way to achieve the organizational goal. knowledge management is knowledge management is the way to achieve the organizational goal, by using the best knowledge and channelizing knowledge, by using the best part of knowledge, best knowledge and channelizing the knowledge. Now I have explained the this is a concept of the knowledge management. Now I have a brief the I have explained the basic form of knowledge management. Basic form of knowledge management and conversation to daily language, conversation to basic language, conversation to common language, common language. I have explained the knowledge management. I have explained the how to explain the knowledge management in common language. In common language are a basic form of knowledge management. So now I have explained the knowledge management. We listen to carefully. Knowledge management tells about the where and what the from the knowledge exist. Basic form of the common language in the how to explain the knowledge management in common language, a basic form of the knowledge. So now come to the point of the knowledge management tells about the what the from of the knowledge exist, where and what the from the knowledge exist and knowledge exists, and what the organization need to know, what the organization need to know, what the organization need to know. And next, how to generate and acquire the knowledge, how to generate and acquire the knowledge any organization, how to generate or acquire the knowledge any organization. And next, how to how to enhance the performance of employee, how to enhance the performance of employee, and how to increase the increase the performance of the employee in any organization, how to enhance the performance any employee in any organization. And next, yeah, or how to increase the performance of a employee in any organization. Next, how to allocate work and resources, how to allocate the work and resources, how to allocate work and resources, or how to distribute the work and responsibility any organization, under any organization, how to distribute the work and responsibility in any under organization. So this is a form of basic form of a common language in common language of the basic common language of the knowledge management. So this is a form of basic form of knowledge management. How to explain this basic language in common management, knowledge management in common language. Now come to the I have a definition of the knowledge management. Explain the definition of the knowledge management according to JP Grad. According to JP Grad, knowledge management is the process of the creating, sharing, using and managing the knowledge and information in any organization, for any organization. I have repeated this. According to JP Grad, knowledge management is the process of the creating, sharing, using and managing the knowledge and information of an organization, an organization. And now, according to VS Chauhan, knowledge management. According to VS Chauhan, knowledge management refers to the multidiscipline approach. According to VS Chauhan, knowledge management has a refer to multidiscipline approach to achieve the organizational goal by using the best knowledge, in any organization, So this is a definition of the knowledge management. And now next point of the knowledge management is a 4 stage of the knowledge management, has a 4 stage of the heading is the note down 4 stage of knowledge management. 4 stage of knowledge management is a heading. Now come to the point of the 4 stage. First stage data, second stage information, third stage knowledge, fourth stage wisdom, Now come to the explain some will explain this 4 stage data. I have collect the data, many resources, many source of the platform, how have and then collect the data and get a implement this collect the data as have implement and get a more information who collected the data and get a knowledge and skills, and then after last stage is a wisdom. So this is a 4 stage of the knowledge management. And now next heading note down, benefits of the knowledge management. What are benefits of the knowledge management? So knowledge management have a give the many benefits in any organization. Why? Now come to the point of the why. How? What are many benefits of the any organization? Now how and why? Now come to the point of the to build a standard process, and next to make a reliable and knowledgeable resource information, to make a knowledgeable and reliable information resources, and now to reduce time, to utilize the reduce time any getting the any performance, to reduce a time, next to make a fewer mistake any organization, to implement to any plan or policy, and your knowledge and skills to implement them your skills, knowledge and plan and policy in any organization. So this is a chances of the to make a fewer mistake, is a low chances of the to make a fewer mistake. So this is a benefits of the knowledge management. And now come to the heading. This is a note down objectives of the knowledge management. Objective, what are objectives of the knowledge management? So this is a point of the first point of the objectives of the knowledge management. So then to ensure the ensure that the goals of the organizational goal are realized properly. To ensure that the goals of the organization that realize the properly. And next point, to enable the organization to be more effective, to enable the organization more effective its function, to enable the organization to be more effective in your function and knowledge. Then next point of the to provide the complete and accurate information, to provide a accurate and complete provide a complete and accurate information and knowledge related to the any any policy. And next, to maintain an effectiveness, and updated knowledge, to maintain a effectiveness and updated knowledge. So this is the objectives of the knowledge management. Now come to the next point. I have explained this objective of the knowledge management is to any organization have a get your depend on the your skills and knowledge to enhance the your performance and increase the your performance and responsibility, to get our your responsibility and work efficiency, to get a properly ensure this. And with the your depend on the your knowledge, skills and your strategy in any under organization. So this is a sub topic of the knowledge management topic. And this is the thank you everyone.